How you doing? My name is Anubis, also known as the Gothic Tech Guy. Welcome to my show. As you see from the title, this is going to be a profile of my Pendulum Magicians. I just got tired of fighting an uphill battle. I mean, every deck I make it to the top table, but it just doesn't take it all the way. So, with me and my friends plan on going to the YCS in May. I think it's YCS or it's a regional, so it's one of those big events. I just want that guarantee, top. So decided to build Pendulum Magicians, and all right, let's get to the profile.
How you doing, my Yu-Gi-Oh friends? Well, I figure it's time to do another Yu-Gi-Oh deck profile. And what better than the best deck of the format, Pendulum Magicians. Alright, so as you see from this weekend, literally just passed, Memphis, I believe, Pendulum Magicians took first and second place, as well as a lot of the top 16 slot. Still the undisputed best deck of this format. And going by the OCG, if our Arbanus is anything close, probably will be still one of the top decks of next format whenever they decide to drop the new banners. But here we go. So I'm gonna roll with three purple poisons. I'm using three harmonizing magicians, three black fang magicians, three both dragons, three wisdom eyes, only one time gazer, and I'm not using the other version. Can't think of his name. I found that the other one is just I usually just use it to be banished off of alert or something. Like I barely bring it to the field, so I cut it. That's it for the magicians. So now we get into the mythical beast. So 2 Jekyll King, awesome card. I love this card. 3 Cleanser. Is that what his name is? Cowboys? Yeah, I know, I'm butchering his name. 3 Rescue Hamster. And 3 Osograph Sorcerer. Okay. Went by so fast, it almost didn't seem like it was 3. Alright, so 3 of his brother. I think, at least I think that's a guy, not sure. Chronograph. And 3 Abyss Actor. For some reason I couldn't see the title. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, this deck is pure pendulums. Like it's just made to spit out all the extra deck stuff and just lock that field down. And it's been working really good for me. I like it. Alright, so that's it for the monsters. And whoa, I gotta tell you, this is the most heavy build of monsters I've ever played. But I believe this is 33. Math is all over the place. 33 monsters, yeah. Yeah, 33, yeah. Alright. Alright, so the rest is all spells, as you can see. So, 3 of my beautiful ultimate Lord Darkness. And 3 Part of Desires. And the last card, of course, Upside card. Upside Covenant. So, yeah. I know a lot of people are like, wait, 3 Part of Desires. It's because I want to see it as soon as possible. Like, this deck is the spells is just designed to dig through the deck really fast and get all the combo pieces so that I can make everything as fast as possible. So, yeah, it's based on speed. Alright, so extra deck. My token. So, this is the only synchro in here, Anister. And this is to, get rid of problem cards, something too big, whatever. Can't be something that can't be targeted because he doesn't target. For the combo, Odd Eyes. Also for the combo, Supreme King 2. To help lock the field down, number 38. Also for the combo, Odd Eyes, Absolute Dragon, Naruto, This Dweller, Decode Taker, Proxy Dragon, Firewall Dragon, Time Gazer, and the last is Electromite. So yeah, this is my build.